Aloha! Welcome to KTA Cookin' Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're gonna make easy salmon sushi bake. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. In a small bowl, mix the Japanese mayo, sriracha, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, ginger, green onion, lemon zest, and sesame seeds. Add the diced salmon and mix well, set aside. In a sauté pan over high heat, warm the sesame seed oil, then cook the onion, mushrooms, and remaining garlic for 2 to 3 minutes until softened. Add the remaining oyster sauce and set aside. Microwave the rice according to package instructions, then press it evenly onto a 8x5 and 8x5 baking dish. Sprinkle the rice with furikake, layer the mushroom mixture, add the edamame, then top with the salmon mixture. Drizzle with unagi glaze to taste. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until the salmon is cooked to your liking. Serve warm with seasoned nori on the side. Enjoy! For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.